EBS Kids.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write.
Little Limo loves lemons. Pretty Pepper packs a punch.
And Oscar makes impossible ice cream.
What about me?
The bright and shining superstar.
Bling bling.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write at Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. Welcome to Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck.
Magic ice cream truck.
Summer Special 5. Dance with Big Nanny. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Hungry. Joe. Hungry. Joe. Oh. Ice cream? Ice cream? Volca. B. Volca. Pepper. Read. Limo. Read. Read!
Huh?
Big Nanny!
Do you want to call Big Nanny? Never cry
Never whine.
when you want to read. Just call out her name. Big Nanny!
Come and read with me, come and write with me. When you learn with me, believe me, you can read and write. A story with Big Nanny,
Yeah!
makes every day sunny and funny. A story with Big Nanny makes every day sunny and funny. Hello, everyone.
Big Nanny! Big Nanny? Hello!
Hello, Joe. What do you want to read today?
Ice cream.
Oh, you want to make ice cream?
Read!
Don't worry. Big Nanny can help you. Let's see. It's banana butter bean ice cream. All the ingredients start with B.
B!
We need these today. Big Nanny's Big Flashcards.
Big Nanny's Big Flashcards.
Copy me. Banana. Banana.
Banana. Banana.
Butter. Butter.
Butter. Butter.
Bean. Bean.
Bean. Bean.
Good. One more time.
Banana. Banana.
Good, Limo.
Huh? Whoa! Banana! Butter. Butter.
That's right, Pepper.
Butter.
Bean. Bean.
Brilliant, Joe.
Banana. Butter.
Bean.
Banana, butter, bean. Brilliant. Remember, when you want to read, just call out.
Big Nanny.
Let's make ice cream.
Yeah.
Bling, bling. I'm home.
Something sweet?
No, no, no. Bananas. Butter. Beans.
Yuck! No bananas, no butter, no beans. There's nothing for me.
Here.
Ooh, a dance party? There's a dance party tonight! Yahoo!
Bling, bling. You don't have a dance partner.
I do.
Where?
Here, you. You are going with me.
Oh, Dusty. So much dust.
Naughty, naughty, naughty! A dance partner? I want something sweet.
Is it delicious?
Delicious. I love bananas. I love butter. I love beans.
Me too.
Ice cream! I want sweet ice cream. Anybody there? Hurry up! Hurry up!
Too noisy.
Hurry up!
Bad, bad,
Anybody?
bad.
Sweet ice cream now! Hurry up!
Noisy.
I want ice
Noisy.
cream!
Noisy, noisy. You are too noisy. Why are you so
Beautiful.
Who are you?
I'm Bling Bling. Come to the dance party with me, please.
Dance party? You don't even know my name.
What's your name?
My name is Big.
Big?
You guess my name. Then I'll come to the dance party with you.
Oh, B-N.
So you have to guess her name? So you can go to the dance party together?
Yes. B-N.
My name is Big.
B is for big. What's N? Silver. Help me.
No problem.
What's her name? Big N. N.
Neutron. Big neutron. Big nomenclature. Big neurologist. Big North Pole?
No, no, no.
Nose?
Nose? Big nose?
Or noodle?
Noodle? Big noodle?
Or necklace?
Necklace? Big necklace? Oh, it must be one of these. Wait for me. I'm coming. Big nose, or big noodle, or big necklace. Oh, beautiful lady. Will you go to the dance party with me?
So, what's my name?
Your name is Big Nose?
Big nose? Bad.
I'm sorry. Is your name Big Noodle?
Big noodle?
Or is your name Big Necklace?
Big necklace? Bad. That's not my name.
Big Nanny! Let's go grocery shopping.
Oh, Big Nanny! It's your name, Big Nanny!
Too late.
What a wonderful day, Big Nanny! Right, Big Nanny?
Big Nanny, don't go! Please, come to the dance party with me!
Bling Bling? Volco?
Big Nanny! Dance party!
We can help!
Really?
Volca! Volca!
Volca!
Oscar, help!
How can I help you?
I want to go to the dance party with Big Nanny, but Big Nanny said no.
Why don't you make Big Nanny's favorite ice cream?
Oh, what's Big Nanny's favorite ice cream?
Big Nanny likes... delicious dessert ice cream.
Delicious dessert ice cream? Okay, hurry up!
Hurry up!
Oscar's Impossible Ice Cream Recipe. Today's ingredient is the letter D.
D.
Daisy. Daisy.
Daisy.
Doll. Doll.
Doll.
Duck. Duck.
Duck.
Daisy.
Daisy.
Doll.
Doll.
Duck.
Duck.
Mix everything together. Let's make delicious dessert ice cream.
Volca, volca, volca. Volca, volca, volca. Volca, 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 volca.
Daisy, Daisy.
Daisy. Volca, volca.
Doll, doll.
Doll. Volca, volca.
Duck, duck.
Duck. Volca, volca.
Mix everything together. Hurry up.
Daisy. delicious dessert ice cream.
Oh, yes. Big Nanny's favorite ice cream. Limo, Pepper.
Boca, boca.
Oh, Big Nanny. Oh,
Boca, boca.
What are we doing?
welcome, Big Nanny.
Oh, dear.
Big Nanny, this is for you. Delicious dessert ice cream.
Delicious dessert? Oh. Daisy, doll, duck. These are my favorite.
Take a bite.
Oh, it's delicious. It's a delicious dessert.
Big Nanny, please come to the dance party with me.
Okay. I'll come with you.
Yahoo! I'm going to the dance party with Big Nanny! Draw a circle in the air, don't stop, don't stop. Draw a circle in the air, do it now. Dance like a drumming dog. Don't stop, don't stop. Dance like a digging deer. Do it now. Dive down like a dolphin, don't stop, don't stop. Dive down like a duck, do it now. Do it all again. Dance like a drumming dog. Dance like a digging deer. Dive down like a dolphin. Dive down like a duck. All done.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write.
Little Limo loves lemon. Pretty Pepper packs a punch.
And Oscar makes impossible ice cream.
What about me?
The bright and shining superstar.
Bling bling.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write at Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck.
Magic Ice Cream Truck.